Hi people, you would all be familiar with TradingView, right? TradingView, you would all be familiar with it if you have been studying about trading, doing trading or investing in the stock market for a while. This platform is very useful to watch about all the stocks you would want to watch and monitor them, track them, and take the trading decisions along with it. It is a powerful tool for that. Oftentimes, you would want to list every stock under an index into a watch list, okay, like every stock under Nifty 50 or every stock under Nifty 100, mid cap 100, small cap 100, like that. For that, you can add symbols one by one, like you type in TCS and press enter, a stock is added, or you can do NSE or take Tata Steel, add a comma, again you type in NSE, Reliance. If you press enter, the two stocks are entered here. You can do this for 50, 100, 200 stocks, right? It would be a tedious process to hot type every symbol, right? For this, you can use a simple workaround that is commonly used in the trading community, making use of the simple things to make the things simple. You go to the NSE India website. You click on the first search result. This is the NSE website. You can go for market data and click on indices. All the indices are listed in front of you. You can choose anything you want. We choose Nifty 50 for the video and download the file to have all the stocks in under Nifty 50. It has 50 stocks, right? Okay. Now here comes a part. You can use any sheet to open that file, like MS Excel. Okay, I use Google Sheets for this. Just open this apps and open Google Drive, or you can simply scroll down in that and use Google Sheets. But if you want to upload the chart to Google Drive and then use it, it would be useful for the future. You right click it, select it, you right click it, open with Google Sheets. You wouldn't be needing every data that is available in this file, okay? You either ignore them or you delete them, okay? You could insert a column, or simply you could delete everything else. You select this cell, Control Shift right, down, backspace, everything is deleted. Now what you do is you go all the way to B2, okay, because that is the next cell of your first symbol. You type in there equal to concatenate in the bracket NSE. You select the cell A2, okay, because that is the cell that contains the symbol, the first symbol, right? Then a comma, close that. Okay, one thing about Google Sheets is this autofill, suggest autofill. You can just click it and it will enter it to the entire column. Okay, you go on to the first symbol, Control Shift down, Control C to copy everything, and now you go to the TradingView website. You can create a watch list if you have subscribed to TradingView or you have started the trial version. I have not started the trial version in this account. I do have another one in the trial version. You can simply press the add symbol, paste it and press enter. Okay, you get everything. You get every symbol from Nifty 50 at your disposal. Okay, now you could have seen that red symbol. Okay, so why it is there? Because TradingView doesn't approve any other symbols other than underscore. Okay, it doesn't get this and symbol or even the hyphen symbol down there. Okay, you can it's only those two symbols in this list, right? So you can manually type in those two symbols and add to the watch list, or you can do this in the Excel sheet itself. Okay, I planned it to do earlier, but sorry that I forgot this and dragging this video for a lengthy time. What we are doing in this Excel sheet is we go to edit, find and replace, type in and symbol, replace with underscore, choose match case, replace all. It would have been replaced by now. And then you type in hyphen and do the same thing, replace all. It's done. Now we go to the top. Look, M&M is changed to M underscore N. So now we do the same thing. Shift down, copy, add it in the watch list. Press enter, and that is it. Let's see if we have red now. Look, M&M is changed here. Okay, and now it's listed. Let's go for the full feature chart. That is the important thing we see, right? The candlesticks. M&M. Okay, so adding to the watch list gives you the privilege of just selecting next, right? You can see, you can switch between the charts instantly. And that is the advantage of this thing. So that's it for the video, guys. Hope you all liked it and you will find this useful, and have a safe trading. Please drop a like button, subscribe to my channel for any further videos that I would post that would make the trading life easier, and press the bell icon to get any notifications of the video that I post. Thank you.